Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna give you a little warning how you should watch out for the bike shops upselling now, because the economy is not doing too good, and you're gonna run into these bike shops that are doing this thing on purpose. So let me explain what's happening. I took this bike for a nice inspection. I went over it, and I quickly realized that the person who has taken it for a tune-up told me, and I realized that the bike shop has done pretty lousy tune-up on this bike over here. So basically, I checked over the bike. I did my best to get it in tip-top shape, but the other day I decided to phone the owner, and I decided to ask him, did you notice any red flags? Because the bike shop didn't do a decent tune-up, and that video will be right here, the one that I talked about tune-up on this bike. You can watch that at the end, right up there somewhere. So I spoke to the owner, and he told me that the bike shop wanted to upsell him on the chain, and at the same time on the cables. Now this is the problem. When I got this bike earlier, this is definitely a little bit neglected. Now I'm gonna show you over here. You see how these spokes are kind of neglected and oxidized. Basically, the bike shop wanted to upsell him on the wheel sets, and I checked the hub. The hub is more than fine. Wheels are straight. Plenty of meat on the sidewalls. Everything is good. But my point of this video is that if you're gonna neglect your bike quite a bit like this, there are gonna be quite a few bike shops that want to take advantage of you and upsell you all the things that you don't need. Like in this case, if this spokes were shined up and everything was clean, the bike shop would see that the bike is well taken care of and probably wouldn't upsell you. So, but because the bike has really, been neglected and whatnot, you're gonna run into these bike shops that have all kind of wheels and the tires that need to be unloaded of their racks because the economy is not doing too well, and it's now hard to sell these things. So my advice would be, keep your bike in a tip-top shape, and then know what you need, know what your bike needs, because now bike shops are gonna be upselling stuff that you don't need, so they could clear their inventory, and that way you're gonna end up paying more money for something that you don't need. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.